Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family of 7 and we are living big with less. And today I'm going to hit you up with my best tips for getting motivated to clean when you really don't feel like it, because that's exactly how I feel today. So guys, I'll let you know where it's currently at. Yesterday we had a super busy day and so not much got done in the way of cleaning, and we have another function this afternoon. So I just know I need to get stuck in and get it tidied up. Otherwise, I'm just going to prolong the problem and it's going to be really overwhelming tonight when I get home. So I'm going to hit you up with my best tips to getting motivated and getting stuff done really quickly. If you guys saw my last poll, I did a poll about who likes music, who likes just talking, or who likes a mixture of both. So down below in the description, I've actually linked to this same video done different ways. So if you just like music or if you just like talking, they'll all be there for you, and so you can watch it however you like. The first thing I always do when I'm down in the dumps is put some great music on to clean. It always makes me feel better and I'm ready to get going. I also really like to set a timer for myself. I'm always surprised at what I can get done in like 10 or 15 minutes, and it just motivates me to go really hard for say 10 or 15 minutes and then sort of have a break or do something else or move on to the next job. I also really like to open up all my blinds and put some nice scents on. That always makes things already feel clean and fresh.
Nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was baby, it was. Right now, I'm looking at an old picture of you. Skinny jeans and blue eyes.
So during this 10 minutes, what I'm trying to do is just be as efficient as possible, just clearing stuff away, clearing off benches and wiping things down as I go, making sure that everything's neat and tidy. I'm not necessarily obsessing with deep cleaning anything, it's just getting the job done.
Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
I love to get my kids involved with cleaning, and I find that a timer is a great motivator for them too, especially if you're already going out somewhere, or if you guys can give them a little treat at the end. It's just a great way to get things done, and I think that kids understand a short amount of time, so they're kind of happy if you say, hey guys, let's just work for 10 minutes and then we'll be free to play or go out. And my kids are always really happy to sort of get things going if they know it's going to be a short period of time. As you can see, this actually took us like 6 minutes, so that was wonderful, and they were all done. Another thing I really love to do is set up some things that are running while I'm cleaning somewhere else. So for me, that's like my robot vacuum or my washing machine. But for you, it might be your washing machine, your dryer, or your dishwasher. It just always makes me feel more accomplished once I've got things going. I also really like to tidy a space as I'm in it, just picking anything up that doesn't belong there. That way I've sort of only touched that space once and it's all tidy when I leave, and it always makes me feel more motivated once I've done a few of those things. Another little tip that I have is that if I'm feeling really frustrated with the way things are and I know I can't get to everything, I'll do a job that I know I can do. So for example, I just wanted to quickly give my bag a clean out and organize it again so that when I was going out, everything was nice and tidy. And I know I can do this in just a few minutes, and then that job is all done, and then you've sort of got some motivation to keep going with some of those other tasks.
If we keep our faith, sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
I always really like to get my bedroom sorted out in the mornings. Now, no one really sees my bedroom, it's down the other end of our house, so even if guests were to come, they probably wouldn't look inside my room. But for me, this is like a beautiful space that is really calming for me. So if I can have it neat and tidy, even if it's just the things picked up off the floor and the bed made, I always feel that little bit more accomplished and ready to take on another task. So one of my favorite little tricks is that I always sort of give myself a little treat at the end of cleaning. So whether that's sitting down and having a coffee with my husband or playing a board game with my kids who have also helped out, I just find that these little rewards make it so much easier to clean. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're new, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.